Hey, this is NargDev, and I'm going to run you through a quick tutorial on how to set up and use my Pokemon roster application for OBS and Twitch. So first thing you're going to do is, of course, navigate to the website. Once you're at the website, you're going to go ahead and sign up, make an account. This is going to require your username, your Twitch name, your email, and your password. You can only one account can have a particular username and Twitch, so you cannot have multiple accounts with the same information. Once you're signed up, you are going to go to the login page and put in the information that you just created, and it's going to bring you right back to the home page with a little different. It's going to have hi, your name, and then welcome back. First thing we're going to do is copy the browser source. This is going to be the URL that you need for OBS. And what you're going to do is, this is a default out overlay that I found on Google just to show for demonstration. We're going to go to add browser, and we're going to paste that URL we got, and I like to set the width and height to 1920 by 1080. Press OK, and it's going to load up your default roster here. Now with that loaded in, that's set, what we're going to do is go back to the website here, and this time we're going to click edit Pokemon roster. Once you do that, you're going to get the same thing here that you see in the OBS without the backgrounds. The background is just to help you with placement. So I'm just going to go ahead and reposition everything down to the bottom just to get an idea of everything. Now it is a little buggy, so you might have some issues with placement, but it's cool. Just redo it, save it again, and you should be fine. So I placed all my Pokemon at the bottom. I kind of tried to space them all out instantly. And I'm not going to worry about the names because we're going to clear the names out. So don't worry about those right now. So once you get everything set, you save positions. You do not need to copy the browser source again. This is just in case you didn't do it the first time. And you want to go back to your chat in OBS and type in PL to reload the positions. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and edit my source so that way it fits where I want it to. So we're going to use Alt, press and hold Alt while you drag the lines, and that crops everything out. And now we just got the Pokeballs, and now we can not hold Alt and stretch them out to get them to line up where we want it to go. And I got the first Pokeball lined up, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save that position there. I'm gonna come back here and I'm just gonna move things over to try to line it up. To see how this looks. Now I do recommend for the initial setup to do this off stream and then go back. Well, once you get everything set up the way you like it, then go live. But once you set it up one time, you won't have to set it up again, so that's good. So we're just going to take a moment here to align everything up properly. Based on the other ones, it looks like this spacing should be pretty accurate. All right, so that's aligned up. Let's go ahead and refresh it again. Good. So there we go. We got everything pretty much lined up. I do want to change one thing. I notice the words are bleeding over. All right, so bam. So we got everything pretty much lined up on our overlay. As you can see, it's right where the Pokeballs are. And now, if I want to change my Pokemon, it's all chat based. So I'm gonna go PP1 and let's do Pikachu. So as you can see, once we use the command in chat, it changes the Pokemon in our party to Pikachu. Then let's change the second one, and so forth and so on. So you get the idea. If you want to edit the sizes again, you know how to use OBS. Just unlock it, reposition, and you can kind of get a better feel for where you want everything to be. and then just reposition everything in your control panel. But for right now, I'm just going to leave everything like this as it is. It's not bothering me, but tweak things the way that you see best fits. Um, Once you get everything lined up, if you're not like me and the words are still on your screen, like that, all you have to do is go in chat and just do PN, the number, and then clear. Once you do clear, let's do, so we're gonna clear out number 4 here. So PN for clear. Oh, actually, sorry, there were some changes. So just do PN4 and it clears it out. Same thing for everything else. Bam, done. No more names. Now, if you do choose to use the names, um, once again, position them to where you would like them to be. Oh, I never saved it. There we go. Oh, as you can see, the name's a little bit off screen. That's close enough. And then PN1 Pikachu, or whatever you name the Pokemon to. And of course, you're probably going to do a lot better job at organizing these than I have. Um, but once you get everything set up here and everything's here, you're good to go. That's pretty much the gist of it. If you ever need to change your settings, you can update your Twitch name here. You can update your email here. And then if for some reason you want to update your browser source URL, you can do so. Just click this button and it will generate you a new URL. Just make sure you update that in OBS. And then of course, should you need to, you can change your password here if you feel as though your account's been compromised or whatever. That's pretty much it. The only thing else is to go to the how-to page. The how-to will be this video here that you guys are currently watching. And I'm gonna also type everything out as well, so that way you're able to come through and read it should you choose to. For all of the commands for chat is all here with an explanation on what they do. You can use normal Pokemon, you can use shiny Pokemon, and you can use Mega Evolutions as well. Once you update everything, this is the command to change your Pokemon, this will be the command to change their name, and this is the command to update it in chat. We'll update the OBS source. um, if you guys need any support, if you have any questions, any concerns, or you want to say thanks, I appreciate it. You can swing past either my Twitch channel and say what's up while I'm live, or send me a DM on Twitch, or you can message me in my Discord server. There's a channel just for this application, so you can receive support. If you have suggestions, I'm open to it. Questions about how to do anything, or you need support, it's not working the way that you want it to, or you would like it to be a little bit more custom, please feel free to let me know, and I will do my very best to help you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful, and thank you so much for using my application, and I hope to see you guys around Twitch sometime. Bye.